The one more topic I have chosen is dairy management system, that is DairyEntry system. For that, I have created these many packages like config, controller, model, repository, and services. And the front end, I have used the React, and to test the CRUD operation, I use the Postman. And in the config, this configuration allows the front end running on the localhost 3000 to interact with the backend API using the path like API/double star. It will allow the methods like get, post, put, delete, and options, and it will permit any headers. So I have written the star. And in the controller, I have written the API/DairyEntries. By using this API, we can test the CRUD operation. And I have written the functions like get entry by ID, create entry, update entry, and delete entry. In the model, I have written the get and set functions like get ID, get title, get content, set content, get date, and set date. And this is the repository file. And the last is service file. Like I have written the functions to return the data. So the functions like get all entries, get entry by ID, create entry, update entry, and delete entry. And I will run this project. We can check the CRUD operation in Postman by using this API which I have created. First, I will check with the get method. It will show all the data. It has been already stored in MongoDB. I will go with post method. The new data has been added successfully. Now I will check it is added or not by using the get method. Now it is added. So I can delete this data by adding the ID. Yeah, the data has been deleted. So in the front end, I have created the files like diary chart and diary form, diary list, home page, and private route, sign in and sign up. I have used the Firebase for the user authentication. Yeah, this is the home page. Here I have added the two buttons like sign up and sign in. First I will go with sign up. After sign up, it will open the sign in page. Yeah, this is the home page after successful sign in. Here I have added these buttons like diary, add diary, list, chart, and sign up. When I click the add diary, it will go to the add diary page. Here I can add the new diary entry. After adding, it will show the list page. Here the data has been added. Here I can update or delete the data. When I click the update, we can update the data. When I click the delete, it will it will be deleted. And I have added the chart. This represents the data per day, like counts. It will show the counts, number of entries per day. This is little tricky one, so I took help of ChatGPT. And when I click on this sign out button, it will redirect it to the sign in page. For again login, we need to sign in. That's also.
Shravana, just
Yes.
this particular project, you explain in terms of its tech decisions or architecture, like for signing you use Firebase, okay, for entire authentication you use Firebase, for chart you use Rechart, okay, for a
Yes, sir.
form you use MEI component, okay, like that. Each sections just open up a notepad and tell what are the tech stack you used, where you use kind of thing. You just write it down on a notepad. Open a notepad, make font
Okay.
little bit bigger, and just explain us in terms of technical aspects.
Okay, sir. Firstly, for the sign up and sign in, I used Firebase. And for the components, I used MUI components. And for navigation, I used React router navigation. And for chart, I used Recharts. And for the backend, I used Spring Boot. And to test the CRUD operation, I used Postman. That's all, sir.
What about REST API part? Spring Boot, what all operations we have done that you can detail.
In Spring Boot, I created the packages like
Create, read, update, delete, that and database use, MongoDB collections. You can detail on that.
okay, sir.
It's not necessary to type on a notepad. Just detail it. Like you need to explain, like in React front-end, use the React create React app. Okay, like that you can explain from a technical perspective. Okay, only technical details.
Okay, sir. Like from starting, sir, like creating projects and all.
Whatever you explain entire project, explain it in technical terms. Okay, I use React create command, right? So you start
Yes,
with
sir.
that, no? Like that. So same application, whatever you demonstrated now, just walk through us through technical terms.
Okay, sir. First, I did the front end, and first I created the folder by adding the command npx create react app, and I named the folder as client, and then I created the folders in the src source like add diary chart and diary list and home page and sign in and sign up. Then I created the backend. First, I created these many packages like config, controller, model, repository, and service. And in the controller, I created the API, like API slash diary entries. And then I created the functions to retrieve the data by its ID. So get entry by ID, create entry, update entry, and delete entry. And I return the configuration for communicating the front end with the back end by allowing the methods like get, post, put, delete, and options. And in the model, I have written the get and set functions to like get ID, set ID, get title, set title, get content, set content, and get date and set date. And then I written the service like functions like get all entries and get entry by ID. These functions will return the data. When I call the function, it will return the data. Then I tested the CRUD operation in Postman. Then uh, the same URL, I have added in front end by using the Axios method. Get function, it will display the details. Delete function, it will delete the particular user data. And for the sign up and sign in, I use the Firebase. So should I open show
Yeah.
the Firebase?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
sir.
When you sign up, how that new entry will be made there. Okay, you
Okay, sir.
can.
That time I have created the new user. It will show that particular user in this list. Here I can access those password and all. We can reset the password also. And here I will show the new user signing. when we do the sign up, the user data will be stored in Firebase. The Preksha data is stored. After the successful login, it will come to the home page.
Yeah, so one entry in MongoDB also. From front end, you make an entry and show it in the MongoDB.
Okay, sir. Yeah, these many data that are already been stored in MongoDB, I will add the new data. Here the new data is added. That will show in MongoDB. Like it is stored in MongoDB.
Okay, good. Let us know your role in terms of a prompt engineer here, like you using ChatGPT. Okay, okay, that's the journey also. Like how much time, what are the help you have taken from ChatGPT? Okay, that you can explain.
Yes, sir. For doing the chart, I took the help of ChatGPT because that was little tricky one. So I took the help of ChatGPT, and for connecting the API to the front end, I use the ChatGPT. That's also I.
Okay, rest of things you could be able to do it on your own.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How much time you took for a dairy management system, the one you are demonstrating now? Overall effort in terms of hours?
I took around 5 to 6 hours, sir.
You have done this entire thing in 5 to 6 hours,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right from services, entire thing.
Yes, sir.
So considering 1 man day effort, basically like 8 hours is what you have developed all these things. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Very good. Very good. I'll stop the recording now.
Okay, sir.
Whatever you have demonstrated so far is very impressive. I'll just stop the recording. By that, we can have this recording session very short one. Okay. So then we'll take questions offline. 1 second. Shravana,
Yes, sir.